Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. I'm super excited. We're opening up a new subscription, Cate and Chloe, the VIP box. You know, now that I say that, I think I might have opened this box years back, but it's pretty much new, at least in the last several years. So Cate and Chloe is a jewelry company. They have a shop, but also their VIP jewelry subscription. So this is $59.99 a month, and you get at least 3 pieces every month. So you get 3 jewelry pieces and then also a surprise item. And the retail value of everything is over $180. So great deal. I'm so excited to see what we got. I do have an affiliate link and code with them I'll leave down below to save 20% off. So definitely something to consider if you want to get like a Mother's Day gift or just treat yourself. Super excited. And by the way, this was sent to me free for review, but not sponsored. So let's see what we got. Isn't this pink box so cute? When you open it up, this is what it looks like. There's some information here, and then it's all wrapped up nice. Let's see what this says. Oh, it talks about the subscription. Awesome. We need some info. Let's see. The VIP box is a monthly subscription box featuring popular new jewelry from Cate and Chloe. All subscription boxes come with 1 to 3 pieces of jewelry each month, plus free shipping and a free gift. You get to choose how many pieces of new fashionable jewelry you want in your box each month. Oh, awesome. I didn't realize that. So the starter box is $19.99, and you get 1 piece of jewelry, free shipping, and a free gift with a retail value up to $107. And then the full VIP box is what I told you guys about. And I think I got the price wrong. Oh my goodness, I'm so glad I'm looking at this. 3 pieces every month, plus free shipping and a free gift with the you pay $39.99, not $59.99, with a retail value up to $204. Wow, cool. Okay, I'm so grateful that they gave us this information. So frequently asked questions. You get special discounts on their jewelry items when you subscribe, free shipping on all US orders, pre-release jewelry items, bonus items in every package, and then special customer support. So what type of jewelry will I receive? Each month their stylist will pick 2 of the most popular styles to send to you. The styles include earrings, bracelet, bangles, necklaces, and more to keep you up to date on the latest trends. And then you also get a bonus item. Awesome. Yep, and it talks about the 20% off. So awesome, thank you. This is so nice that they gave us this information. So my code will give us 20% off site-wide, not just a subscription. That's great to know. So it's kittysboxes 20 in all caps, but I'm gonna link them down below along with that code so you can check it out. But I think that's everything. So let's see what we got. Talking long enough. Let's see what the presentation's like. It looks like the jewelry comes in little boxes here. And VIP gift shop gets 60% off. Bloom 23, it looks like there's a special sale going on. And then welcome to VIP. It's so great to have you. I'm excited. This is so fun. Okay, so I see the extra item looks like it's like skincare or something. Let's look at that last. The jewelry each comes in one of these cute little boxes, Cate and Chloe boxes, with a magnetic closure. Ooh. Ooh, the first box we have some pretty studs. Wait. So it's like a rose gold. I feel like it'd be easiest to see it in here, like with the black. Focus. Pretty. Let's see, do we have information on it? I don't think so, but there's studs, rose gold, super pretty. I feel like you could wear this to like so many different places with different outfits and everything. Cute. Let's move on to the next item. Ooh, I think this is a necklace, or is it a bracelet? It might be a bracelet actually. These are so nice. They make me want to do something like fancy. This is really pretty. Oh, I like these kind of clasps too. Can't remember the exact name of it, but this is beautiful. very like nice Mother's Day gift, right? I like forgot it was almost Mother's Day till I was just looking at their website just to like refresh and all the information about them. And I was like, oh God, Mother's Day is coming up. So this just happened to coincide with that. Well, it's the 14th. I looked, so it's, what's the date today? Is it this upcoming, it's this upcoming Sunday. Everyone, someone else needs to hear that, but beautiful. And then our last one, I'm gonna guess it's a necklace. Let's see though. Same box. Yeah, oh, and it goes with the earrings. I feel like it's not focusing and showing how beautiful it really is. Let's see, maybe if I go from far away, take my head away. It's so shiny and pretty. I love this. So this matches, and then the bracelet like can go with this as well. These are definitely like a set. So pretty. And then the bracelet. I love this. I like how it looks with my nails. This, I think it's like little, looks like little flowers, the design. I think the bracelet might be my favorite, but I like all of them. But yeah, I think I have to go with this. What do you guys think? What's your favorite piece? So that's awesome. 3 pieces of jewelry, all different types. You can all wear together or separate. Earrings, necklace, and a bracelet. This is super cute. It makes me want to go out for like some wine and dinner. Anyone want to join me? I always like want to ask you guys out, like to go out. Like, yeah, a friend date, you know, to go out with me. And I'm like, oh, I wish you could. Like whenever I bring up margaritas or wine or something, I'm like, let's go. Let's go out. Let's dress up. It'll be fun. But now let's look at our extra item here. Oh my God, yes, it's lotion. I go through body lotion and stuff so quick because they moisturize every day. And I just love it. So this is by Organics. Hopefully I'm saying that. Organics, actually, I think it is. Organics, because it says Awe Natural, or Awe Inspiring. I'm just making up words now. Hand lotion. Perfect. Daily moisturizing lotion, long-lasting hydration, weightless lotion for hands and body, smooth skin and no greasy residue. Awesome ingredients, made in the USA, sulfate-free, paraben-free, cruelty-free. It's made with thyme extract, safflower, and seed oil, or safflower seed oil, and it's 4 fluid ounces. Nice, cruelty-free. It is sealed, but I want to see if there's a scent. I don't know if there is, which I'm fine with. Oh, it's a little citrusy. Nice. Let's try it out. So now you can wear your jewelry and show off your like moisturized hands with your pretty bracelet. I should put that on. But that was everything, you guys. What do you think? So there's a lot of stuff that came in the little bag. We have this hand lotion. It smells really nice. The earrings. The matching necklace. And my favorite, the bracelet. I just love how that looks. So nice. And I feel like this is like a little fancy, but you could still wear it every day. Like, just like spice up your outfit a little bit. So cute. I love it. So again, I will link Cate and Chloe down below. Thank you, Cate and Chloe, for sending this to me and also for providing us that code. So 20% off site-wide. If you need a last-minute Mother's Day gift or want to treat yourself, definitely take advantage of that, all in the description box. Thank you guys so much for being here. I can't wait to hear your thoughts in the comments below. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Like this video, leave a comment, and do something special for yourself. You deserve it. I love you. Mwah. Bye.